Hello and welcome. This is Rafy. In this video, I'm very excited to share a small success of one of my subscribers. This is about taking action. So here we go. After watching most probably this video, which I published 7 days ago, someone just put it in action. So he created an account on Buy Me a Coffee using my referral link and already got his first income. It could be a small amount, but this is just the starting. Now he might going to earn a decent amount of money regularly. So shout out to this guy, Mr. Ramesh. You can find him on YouTube, and most probably I'm gonna attach his YouTube link into this video description just to let you know, or just for you to check out how this guy is doing that. All right, now I'm going to attach this video link into the video description for your easy access if you haven't yet watched. And here is another video which you can watch where I have shown how I'm selling digital products through Buy Me a Coffee to earn money. And if I just want to show you here from my dashboard, by last 30 days from this account I am getting 136 US dollar already earned. And if I take you here on another account of my profile, just take a look. From Buy Me a Coffee I have got lots of emails, and if you just take a look here, 9:30 23 a.m. then we have got 7:25 a.m., 6:20, and days on. So there are many emails appearing here from Buy Me a Coffee. That means I'm making money from this account as well. I'm going to simply blur some of the information because I don't want to disclose this profile or this YouTube channel for some reason. So if I take you here on this account's dashboard, you can see if I reload this page. So for by last 30 days, there were around 445 US dollars of earning. And if I take you to, let's say, my payments, and if I take you to the recent payment, just take a look. I have got, like, my most recent payment was about 826 US dollars on 12th April 2023. And now for withdrawal, I have got 185 US dollars. That means if you put work, if you try, you might going to have the opportunities to earn money using Buy Me a Coffee. So please guys, don't just watch videos, please take actions and make it happen. I wish you all the best. Have a good day. Bye bye.